Hello everyone, my name is Marcel and I'm here to show you guys how to convert a Zoom file that has been giving you some problem. I have a file that is failing to convert. Every time I click double to convert, it wasn't converting, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it manually. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Zoom file. As you see, I have mine right here. And you want to right click it, go to open with, choose another app, search for more, scroll down to look for another on this PC. And then you want to go to your local disk. From there, you want to type in zTscoder.exe. This is something that already came on with your with you downloading Zoom. It's just, I guess you can say it's having a trouble to convert it. So what you're just basically doing is you're just manually converting it. So it may take a second or two for it to pop up on your search results, just because it's looking for your entire PC, your entire local disk. I'll leave in the description down below the actual location if you want to go through the process of looking it up through the local. There is words that it may be hidden, so I'll leave another link in the description where that you can discover it if it's hidden. But here we go. That's the location right here. Users, whatever your username is, AppData Roaming Zoom, and then bin_00. So you just want to click on that, open, and then voila, there you go.